What are we doing, Stanford? We have 2 items left and they are the largest of the day. Stack of chairs and fridge. Stack of chairs, get them on. Patio chairs.
Crunch.
That was good.
And we are nudging. Wunderbar.
Farewell, fridge. Oh. That's a serious bash. Thanks everyone for watching. This has been an absolute corker.
That bug was in my shirt and it flipping bit me, so I killed it.
44 Club, thanks for watching right to the end. Make sure you like the video if you enjoyed it. Comment your suggestions. Anything to add, Jack?